Google Chrome is one of the most popular browsers, but it's also notorious for high disk usage, which can slow down your computer. Luckily, there are several ways to fix this issue and get Chrome running smoothly again. First, check for unnecessary extensions. Extensions can be helpful, but some run constantly in the background and consume a lot of disk resources. Open Chrome, go to the Extensions page, and disable or remove anything you don't use. This simple step can drastically reduce disk activity and improve performance. Second, clear your browsing data. Over time, cached files, cookies, and site data accumulate, causing Chrome to work harder and use more disk space. Head to Chrome Settings, select Privacy and Security, and clear cached images, cookies, and other site data. Doing this regularly keeps Chrome responsive. Third, disable hardware acceleration. While this feature is meant to improve performance by offloading tasks to your GPU, it can sometimes cause high disk usage or conflicts on Windows systems. To turn it off, go to Chrome Settings, click System, and toggle off Use Hardware Acceleration when available. After that, restart Chrome for the change to take effect. Fourth, make sure Chrome is up to date. Google frequently releases updates that optimize performance and fix bugs that can cause high disk usage. Click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Help, About Google Chrome, and allow it to update if a newer version is available. Finally, reset or reinstall Chrome if the problem persists. Sometimes corrupted settings or user profiles lead to excessive disk usage. Resetting Chrome returns it to its default state without affecting your bookmarks, or you can uninstall and reinstall the browser completely for a fresh start. By following these steps, you can reduce Chrome's disk usage and make browsing smoother on Windows 10 or 11. Keeping extensions in check, clearing cache, adjusting settings, updating regularly, and resetting when necessary will help prevent performance issues in the future. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.